This is Larry Schwartz of IP Business Tech Solutions. I've got about 40 years of experience in new product development, both in corporate R&D and in divisional product development. I've watched the evolution of the new product development cycle go from a helter-skelter thing to one that became pretty sophisticated with a phase gate process or stage gate process, but one that didn't ever talk about sustainability. And if it did, it was way late in the process and it talked about health and safety. Well, things have changed now in 2023. And our workshop is going to walk you through the evolution of ESG into the new product development cycle. And it'll provide you with some very specific techniques and programs that will help make ESG part of your NPD process. We're real excited about this and look forward to you joining us and learning from us. Thank you.